Hi everyone. We are on the second episode of our demo instruction videos right now. In this section, we will be explaining how to change your modules on your main page. So right now you're looking at the main page from top to bottom. We can scroll it down. Feature properties, services, popular places, testimonials, agents. Those are all our the contents in our main page. Also, the 4 questions about financing, and we will be showing you and demonstrate how you can change all these informations the way is matching for your website. Let's go back to our admin panel and let's start our module section. Right now you're in the module section. As you see all the titles that you have shown on our main page, it comes up under modules, under LIs. So let's start with property search form, and so you will be able to see how is that looking. You can edit content on the property search form. You know that this is the way that we have titled. Maybe if you like to change the search for homes or anything else, MLS search, anything that you can think of is gonna be looking better for you. All you have to do, just click the update, and now it's changed. And then to be able to see if it's been changed, you have to go back to the main page and refresh the page. And let me show it to you. So once you refresh the page, and you just have to enter the zip code, pick the property type, search, and you will be able to continue searching for properties. So let's go back to our admin panel, and we will be able to show you how to change the other titles. If you click the call to action is something about the financing. So you don't see the URL over there right now, but you can enter your lenders or your financing partner pre-qualification page, or their main website, wherever that you want to direct your customers once they click on it. And the button text, you can change it. We have get pre-qualified now. You can write pre-approval, financing questions, or anything you want to type it. Again, your content section is the same thing for questions about financing or anything that you wanted to change it. And all you have to do after make any changes, hit the update, and as you see on the main page, refresh the page, and once you go down for questions about financing for demo Google, and if you want to add a link over there, we added the Google link right now. It's going to take you to Google link. So let's go back to our admin panel again. Let me show you how you can change the other sections on the modules. Agent side. We do have an agent site on our demo page. So this is pretty good for brokers especially, or if you are a team that you work in with group of other agents. You can have the titles for the agents, your agent name, and the content, if they are broker, if they are, realtor, manager, or anything. You can change the content for their titles. And if you want to add the picture, you can add this agent's picture. As you can see, you have to click on it and hit the update. We will change the agent's picture and the name on the main website. Let's go down there, and you will be able to see that John Doe, the picture has not been updated, but let's go back to admin panel and let's take a look at it again. On the agents, go John Doe, and you can change the avatar and add any picture that you would like to. Let me add my picture, updated, and let's go back to main page, refresh it. So this is where it's supposed to be changing the picture. Right now it's not going to change it. And let me show you how you can change the testimonials. If you wanted to add the testimonials for your customers, you can go ahead and write the customer name and their testimonial, and if you have the picture for the customer, which I will strongly recommend for each agent to maybe take a picture at the close-in or at the final walkthrough with your customers, and you can upload those beautiful happy moment pictures over there and upload it and refresh it in the main page. You will be able to see my content that I have just entered. Testimonial, great service, customer name. That's about it. So let's go back and change more stuff. The popular places. This is another content on our website. If you wanted to change this, I know it might not be much relevant with the real estate agents, but maybe you might want to add popular places in your local market. Right now we are in Florida, in Orlando, and real estate agents may be working in local area like Winter Garden, as you see as an example. If you're working in Orlando, you may add Windermere, Lake Mary, Lake Nona, or anything like in your local area, because the real estate agents usually working in multiple towns in their local market. So you might want to add any of these information, or if you don't need any of those, you can also delete that section. So I'm going to show you how to delete each places and also entire title. You can hit the removes. Now we drop it to 1 and hit the update. And your popular places will be changed. We'll go to design editor. If you don't want the popular places, you can remove it, save the layout, and go back to main page, refresh the page. As you will see, the popular places should be gone now. Yep, it's gone. So that's very easy. Let's go back to admin panel and the module section again. Now the services, you will pretty much do exactly the same thing as the other one. All you have to do is just change the title and the content and the code that you can pick. Icon code will be some sort of link to a different website or some content that you might want to upload, and you can take it from Google, just like that. And you can paste it and update it. And let's go back to main page and see how's that looking. As you see those icons, so it's going to be updated as a building. It's very easy and very functional. We are go back to modules now and the slider. Slider is another important part. If you go to slider, and you will be able to change your titles. You can add your contents, also your background images, your button text, and the URL where you want the people to be directed. Title: we service in Orlando, and the content: contact us now. Button text: contact us, and the URL that you can direct people whatever the website you would like to. And also you can position where do you want that to be staying, on the center, and change the background image, update it, and you will see how's your slider looking now. This is your slider, and we have changed one of them, and now we refresh it. Contact us now, contact us, it stays in the middle, and we have a link over there. Once you click it, it'll be directed people to the different page. Also the slider, if you hit the arrows on the right and left side, you can change in each slider with different link, different pictures, and different titles, exactly the same way we have explained before. And the feature properties on the modules is the last one, If you wanted to add different properties, location, which is very important. Right now we look in something in Orlando. If you want to have an easy link for condos, lands, rentals, and active listings, pendings, close, expires, depend on what your customer is possibly looking for. You can create easy links for these property listing settings, and your customers can reach out to you directly from there, and your customers can find what they're looking for. Location, maybe specific locations that you might want to set it up. Hit the update. Now you go back to the main page and refresh it under feature properties, and as you can see, the property listings. And you can move it on the right and left side. Click on the property. You will be able to see all the details. This is downloaded directly from MLS. Schools, associations, map view, features. And if there's anything that you want us to be changing on your MLS data, that we will be able to change it for you. Maybe something that you might like to be using that other agents not. We may be able to add what is the your local MLS is providing. And that was it with the modules. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. As you see, it's very easy to set up. For a professional real estate agent, it may not take more than 1 hour or maybe 2 to be able to complete the entire website. We will be uploading the next instructions video. It's going to be related design editor, and we will see you in the next video.